In today's video, I'm going to teach you reset Photoshop to default settings. Whether Photoshop is acting up, running slowly, or you just want a clean slate, resetting your preferences can quickly bring things back to the factory defaults. Before we start, keep in mind that this will remove your custom settings like workspaces, tool presets, and preferences. So if there's anything you want to keep, note it down or back it up first. Let's begin with the easiest method from inside the app. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Once it's running, go to the Edit menu, choose Preferences, and then click General. In the General section, look for the option labeled Reset Preferences on Quit. Click that and then press OK to confirm. This tells Photoshop to clear out your settings the next time it closes. Go ahead and exit Photoshop normally. When you launch it again, it will start fresh with the default configuration, just like a brand new install. This method is great when you can still access the program and navigate through the menus. If you prefer a quick reset from outside the app or if Photoshop won't open properly, there's another option. Go to your desktop where you can see your Photoshop shortcut or executable. Press and hold Control, Alt, and Shift at the same time on your keyboard. While holding those three keys, run Photoshop. You can do this by right-clicking the Photoshop icon and choosing Open, or by launching it however you normally do, as long as you keep those keys held down. Keep holding until a prompt appears asking if you want to delete the Adobe Photoshop settings file. That's exactly what we want here. Click Yes. Photoshop will then continue to open with all settings reset to their defaults. This method essentially forces the app to discard the old preference file and rebuild a clean one for you, which can fix crashes, strange tool behavior, or UI glitches. After resetting, take a moment to reconfigure your workspace, set up your preferred units, performance options, and color settings, and reinstall any essential brushes or plugins. This ensures you keep the benefits of the reset while regaining your favorite tools. And that's it. You've reset Photoshop to default settings using the in-app option or the keyboard shortcut at launch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.